SolidWorks to AutoCAD Exporter. How to export SolidWorks to AutoCAD. Exports the SolidWorks model into a BXF file. The exported BXF file is then imported into the AutoCAD environment. All information including geometry, parameters, units, materials etc. will be converted. The tool supports various industry-specific requirements like components hierarchy grouping, SolidWorks to AutoCAD conversion features, part and assembly conversion to AutoCAD blocks. Convert all your SolidWorks parts and assemblies to native AutoCAD blocks and nested blocks. Configuration-specific export. Export based on your desired configuration and coordinate system to obtain the required orientation inside AutoCAD. Parameters and materials. Export models with parameter and material information and choose only the properties you want to share to protect your proprietary information. Better geometry and metadata. Obtain non-triangulated solid geometry. Instantiate your parts and maintain the hierarchy inside AutoCAD. Transfer all colors and properties as well. More than just an import. Tool have option to import using various import types to maintain model hierarchy and ignore applied materials in AutoCAD. Easy operation. Make use of various features to simplify your models with the user-friendly interface combined with easy operation to assist novice and experienced designers alike. Contact us for more information and for a web demo.